don't want to drink anything, let me go straight to the point. I know that you and Adana are very, very close friends. You see, I love Adana so much. I want to spend the rest of my life with her. I try so much to bring her closer to me. I'll tell you that I've given her TLC, tender loving care, and I've showered her with a lot of money, but she seems to be keeping her distance from me. I'm a guy that I am not too proud to beg for anything or for somebody that I call my own. So in a nutshell, I would like you to help me to convince her to become mine.
Don, like I said, try to convince her. She's still holding on what their late father said.
Her late father?
But I will try to convince her. If she doesn't, then take me for free.
Oh well, I'm not gonna go towards what they are saying that their father said, because I believe that I and their father, we were good friends before he died. You understand? And Uchechi, if you convince Adana to become mine, I will shower you with gifts.
I will try.
Right?
I will try my best.
Okay. One of my bodyguards will be coming to your house at about 4 p.m. today. Okay? I will take a package. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'll try my best.
You do your best.
Just consider it done.
Wow. Is that right? I can't wait.
Brother Donald, please. It's never my intention to refuse my sister getting married to you. Please. Since our father died, you have been a good brother to Ada and I. I don't even know how best to reward you, Brother Donald. Please, there is nothing I can do. Please.
Donald, I love you more than that erotic and arrogant Toby. I really do love you. Uchechi, my friend, was here the other day. She had a quarrel with me because of my treatment towards you. I had to weep. I went to my father's grave. I cried. I pleaded with him. I begged him just for me to marry you. But then he appeared in my dream later that night, warning me not to dare, that I shouldn't think about marrying you. And then it just got me wondering if you had any issues with him while he was still alive.
Fabrications! This is fabrication! It all means that you don't value me. This family is nothing but ingrates. You and your sister, you are all goofballs. You know what? I need every money that I spent on you. I want it now.
No, please, Brother Donald, where do you want us to get that kind of money? We don't have anything in the house. It's not too common for prince and princesses to visit peasants. I am begging you, we don't have them. Please, I'm begging you. Please.
You are full of it. 2 weeks.
Hey! Ada, you're finished. Ada, I told you to stop collecting money from that monster. You see? How can we get that kind of big amount of money? Where, Ada? Where?
What do you mean I should stop collecting? Did I ever ask him for money?
Obidike. 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 Listen. The stubborn fly follows corpse to the grave. You and your sister should minimize the way you receive things or money from anybody. Be warned and be wise. Listen. Don't ever allow Donald to marry your sister. Obidike, be warned.
Sounds like my father's voice. But he's nowhere to be found.
Adonna.
Good day.
Sir, I have tried my best to convince Adana to accept your proposal, but I don't know. She keeps telling me same stories. I don't know what to do again. I'm tired.
Okay. I know you've done your best. I'll send somebody to give you something, okay? But Obidike, I'll eat him for supper. I must deal with that stupid idiot. Don't worry. I'll send somebody to you, okay?
Okay. Let me go back to it.
Okay. Hey, you. I can see that you are flexing with vultures and cockroaches.
No, Uncle Donald, we are just coming back from the market.
Shut up! You are very, very stubborn. But let me tell you something. A stubborn fly dies in the belly of a bird. Adana is what I want. If I cannot have Adana, every dime that I spent on you and Adana, you must cough it down.
Mano, Uncle Donald, please, I'm begging you. Where do you want us to get that kind of money? We don't have it. Please, it's not my fault.
Whose fault?
My father. He warned me before he died never to let you come close to Adana, not to talk of getting married to her. Please, it's not my fault.
Oh, you go tell your father in the grave that I will marry Adana. If I don't have Adana, I will have your head.
Mbano, listen, my head. Mbano,
get up! Out!
Come on!
God, use your senses. Use your senses. Why?
Vultures.
So this is where all her power lies. Yes. I've collected the ring from the useless son Ugochukwu. That means the potency of their powers and charm is lost. Come and talk. Come and fly again. But what will I do with this ring? What will I do? Okay. I command you, ring, to show your powers. Command you, snake, to return back to the ring. So this is where there is power. Okay. Come and fly. Come and fly again. Come and fly again. Give it to me. I said, give it to me. Please don't do it. Give it. The death that will kill a man begins as an appetite, and the dying man is not saved by medicine. I have always told you that a hen does not keep quiet when a hawk attacks its chicks. Be warned! Be warned! With his people. Okay.
How are you doing, bro, Dick?
As you can see, I'm good.
Thank God. We came to your house this afternoon with Ugochukwu, but it seems you went to the palm plantation.
Hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. Did Ugochukwu give you any ring?
Not that he gave me a ring, but I collected a ring from him. Forcefully.
Okay, because he was telling us that it's where all his mother's powers lies. Without that ring, his mother is powerless.
Modele. Alaribe. A dried bread at home is often better than the fixed abroad. Diplomacy is an art of getting someone to reason about something. Personally me, I know how to bury a hunchback. Wow. Indefatigable, yes. I collected a ring from Ugochukwu. I checked the powers on that ring. I dropped it on the ground. The ring transformed into a snake. Yes.
Into a snake?
Yes. I went home with this ring. One fateful afternoon, the thing started burning my fingers. And I ran out of the house with this ring. All of a sudden, Udelebola, that short native doctor,
Yes, I know.
appeared, telling me to give him the ring. And I believe that that native doctor to collect the ring is Mudele's brother. I gave him the ring. The man just disappeared. But that's not a problem. Yes. So let us not beat about the bush or talk about this very issue. Let's forget it. What about that your friend Emeka?
Emeka is fine. He went to the market with his mother.
Is that not Abigail? Abigail!
Robbie.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the street.
I can see.
What about Adana?
Ada is there at home.
Okay. When I come back, I'll go and visit. I'll try to come and visit you guys.
Okay. So you want to start going now?
Yes, now. I'm going to
All
the
right.
street. So, are you okay?
Happy baby. Shh.
Are you okay?
Shh. Can I touch those two things? It's very, very wonderful.
Yes, Mama.
Hey! I'm out anywhere before exam.
Mama, I hope all is well.
How can all be well? All is not well. And for the last time I ask you, do you have my ring?
Mama, for the last time, I don't know where it is. Ha! Oh!
I think you gave my ring to that demented fool Obidike, so he can use it to fight your own mother.
Mama, what gain do you and Papa derive in inflicting pains on the orphans you are supposed to protect?
Aha! Now I know where my ring is. You gave it to Obidike to fight your mother, right? Right? Dikokwe? That means you know where my ring is.
Mama, I didn't say so. I didn't say so.
Hi! And for your information, that palm plantation that's discussing all this problem is meant for your upkeep.
Mama, I need justice. Leave sentiment out of this.
The grandson of Mudene, my own brother, the only one that controls the sun, moon and stars, the only one that can bring rain during dry season. I greet you.
Well done, my sister, in whom I'm well pleased.
Take my ring.
Yes. Your son gave it to that infidel called Obidike. He was about to attack you when I intervened. I saw him from a shrine. Greater powers now flow in that ring.
It does?
Yes. But be careful with your son. Greater powers now flow in that ring. Anything you proclaim shall come to pass. spare my life. Spare my life and that of my sister Abba. Our uncle Alaribe would not let us be. He killed my father. He killed my mother. He asked me not to talk. He told me not to tell anyone what happened, else he will cut off my tongue. I beg you. We have no one on earth to fend for us. You alone can see me through in this dilemma. Spare our lives, please.
Behold the earth, it is in temporal darkness. Mother of the wood holds. She darkens the heaven and turns all the earth into mines. I speak the language of the spirits. Fortune gives and fortune takes. And to a man, if fortune makes, you are a child of fortune.
As I stamp my legs 3 times on this ground, as the mother of the wounds commanded me, I beseech you, the worthy messenger of the great mother of the wounds,
Open your mouth. Open your hand. The ring is your invoking power. Wear it. Fire and water belongs to you.
I thank you that I found favor on this ground and under this great tree. I thank you so much.
Poured on me by the great mother of the womb. I command you people to vanish by fire. Disappear! Disappear!
Who are you, please?
Do I know you?
My name is Obidike, and this is my house. Okay. So who are you?
I've paid for this house.
Wait, you did what?
I've paid for this house. My sister Alaribe.
Did you even hear what I said? This is my house, my father's house. My name is Obidike and this is my house.
Young man, you don't know me. I said before, I've paid for this house. So I gave you 24 hours to do this.
You are giving me 24 hours to vacate from my own house. My own house. Okay. I'm sure he gave you the papers to this place, right? Did he?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Because he dropped some in this house. So can I go in and bring them for you?
Okay.
Okay. Hold on, oh. Let me get you the paper. Come here. Come here. I'm buying property. Foolish people. Let me see your legs in this compound again.
Don't. Can't believe what that guy did to me. It's just me, Chief Omega 1, out of the call.
What? Have you reported this matter to the man that sold the land to you? I'm talking about Chief Alaribe. We must take that land back from Obidike. Obidike is a scumbag. He wouldn't let me marry his sister. Eh? We must build a mortuary there. That boy must suffer. And every dime that I spent on top of him and his sister, he must cough it out.
I agree with you, though. How about the
goose? Oh, I have the pack already. The consignment is waiting for you in my house. All you have to do is to come and grab it. Hey, my nigga, Omega. Omega. But I'm more
Mama! What is it? What man?
Great Ikuku, the god of good omen and vengeance, you have bestowed on me the power to commune with the spirits, the power to conjure the spirits of the dead, and to hear the voice of the wind. Ikuku, I am in great need of you now. Ikuku, I am in great need of you! Come! Come! Send your power! Come! Great Ikuku. Ikuku, as I drop this stone into this mystical flood, let it dry up. Yes. It is done. Yes.
The grandson of Udene.
Yes. This is good. Yes. This boy has great powers. But don't worry, I will cut off his tail.
I trust you. I trust you.
Hey.
Everywhere is dry.
You can now go in.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let us go.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ikuku.
May the gods be with you.
Yes, thank you.
The grandson of Ikuku.
Look at that place.
Oh, yeah.
Everything still intact.
Imelo. Ipuluki ime. Nafana anenkiti. Nafana anenkiti.
Guy, I told you to use your head. Use your brain. Say your last prayer.
Why not go ahead and fulfill your mission?
Are you talking to me like that? You are evil. You know, when you were busy shooting me, you know how your gun was sounding? Like water dropping on my body. But now, I will teach you how to make use of the gun and how a real gun's supposed to sound. Let's play the game. Guys, no, don't do that!
Okay, enough of this laugh. Let's get down to business. You girls know that my traditional marriage to Toby comes up in 2 weeks.
Wow. What is wow? Like you did not know?
Okay, the only reason I'm saying this is you, my friends, will be of great help to me. I need you two to follow me to the farm tomorrow to harvest some cassava tubers. You know, I need to prepare some packaged food for my husband and his people.
Of course. Anything for you.
Thank you very much. Of course. So, are we yet to choose a color for the day?
Ikuku ameyawese ogbomeo ogugu ajujuwere ogbomeo.
Stop! What an affront in the sacred place of Ikuku.
Evil, that is what you are. Monster, that is your surname. Vicious monster, that is your nickname. What an irony. A sacred place for the projection of evil. You son of a inspired maggot led me into making love with my sister's best friend. You struck me with blindness. Today, I have come to tell you that I am now favored for greatness by the gods. However long the moon disappears, one day it must shine again.
You have the gods to talk back at me in my own shrine. How dare you? How dare you, Obidike? And now let me tell you, that moon will shine its last today.
On the contrary, it is he who called at the moon at its appearance day. We still live to see the appearance of the moon.
And now let me tell you, the elephant and the tiger do not trade on the same pasture. I can't trade words with you. You are just too little for me.
I have come because any thorn that bears the fruit shall be burnt by the light of the new moon. I have come to take the thorn that bears my fruit several times. And you, I must take out of here today.
Obidike, don't dare me.
What will you do?
Don't dare me. All right, I shall deal with you now. Ikuku! Great Ikuku! Come in your might and power to destroy Obidike right now. Descend in your power. Descend in your power. Ikuku!
When power jump power, the lesser one will bow. Rakuka! Queen of the fireflies, I command you to destroy these maggots with your power!
Where are you?
In my stomach, you will go in today, and there will be your resting place. I command you
to fall into this mouth.
You're back. What happened? Nothing from the farm. Why? What are you doing in my compound?
Are you surprised to see me? I am a mystery.
Mystery?
You thought I was gone so that you could go and harvest the palm fruits? Never. Not so fast. Until I prove a point.
Let's see you prove it.
I will call upon you.
Udene!
Send your messenger to devour this infidel.
Without delay. Today is today.
Do you know what you are? You are just like a blacksmith that does not know what to forge with iron drugs.
This is too much of a host.
No! Move! Rakuku! Rakika! Show yourself and devour this weakling!
Oh, Biko.
Thank you.
Don't do this.
Rakuku! Rakika!
Don't do this to us, Biko.
That lies, your Udene. You see, you are now powerless. All your powers are no more. But I will not kill him. Yes, I will spare his life. But his shrine, I have burnt it.
Oh!
You have no power again. Try overtaking. You are now powerless. I render you and your power useless. It's a very big lesson. I will be on my way.
How are the mighty Udene fallen?
Who there?
Huh?
How? What am Udene?
Is this you? This powerless?
Then happened what?
Hey, Ewemi Kembe Karaka.
It's not gonna.
Kembe Karaka.
Play. Abigail. You cannot even. Abigail, you too fat, oh. Adana, there is trouble. What is it? Is Obidike okay? No, it's not about Obidike. What is it? Wait, what is it?
Please talk now. Let's know if it's worth standing.
Stand up now.
Adana, Toby has been murdered and his corpse is lying along the road.
Wait. You're joking. You're joking, right? You said who is dead? I saw it with my 2 eyes.
Which Toby? Our future in-law.
What kind of silly joke is that? Huh? You need to come and see by yourself.
Wait. How long like this now? Talk. Tell us now, what is it? Haven't you had? Both of you are here. Haven't you had Adana Suto? Toby. Toby is dead. What happened? Dead? Where? How? You are here. Toby was shot. Toby is dead. He's not dead. Let's go. Let me lock my door.
The worst has happened. What? What happened? Toby Adana Suto is dead. Huh? Are you sure of this? Did you hear it? Are you? I'm very, very sure Uncle Alaribe and his wife killed him. You know what will happen? Keep this as evidence. God has already started exposing Alaribe, his secret killings. God is exposing them. Hey! Oh, let's start like this. I told you. Anele, my youth leader, what you have said is correct. Even though Alaribe is diabolical, but we know how to handle him. You hear me?
Yes.
I want you to take your youth people, get everybody ready, march to his house. If you get there and meet the wife, strangle her to death. Alaribe and his son, banish them. You hear what I said?
Yes, Nai.
Because we have got enough evidence to deal with him. We have had all we needed to nail him down. You hear me?
Yes.
Take the bull by the horn and finish and let him know that Ofonye Siriora or Elichaya Manora Siri Ofonye Opetolene. Can I go see an eye carrier?
Yes, Nai.
Move on.
Nai, I have heard what you said.
Yes.
And we will do exactly what you said.
Good.
I, Anele, the youth leader, with my fellow youths, we shall go and grab him. Let me be on my way now.
Thank you. We'll be watching. We'll be waiting to hear from you.
Have a nice day.
Alaribe, today is the last day we separate the good from the bad. Yes. In the sense, our community will be liberated. As for you, Mudele, the community will decide on your fate. You evildoers. Shut up! You evil family.
What is that? Pick it and see what is written in there.
A letter from the grave. And it says,
my people, Mudele Alaribe
are not responsible for my death and that of Adana's suitors. Donald, my friend, is responsible. Get him and kill him.
What? Olaribe, thank your stars that you are not responsible for your brother's death. Youth Kwenu! Hey! Youth Kwenu! Hey! Youth Kwezono! My fellow youth!
Yes.
Right now, we are going to Donald's house.
Yes.
To search for him. For he is responsible for the calamities happening in this community.
Yes.
Youth Kwenu! Youth Kwenu! Wait for me! Let us go now! I did. Obara Blike!
Could you believe? It has been done at all this while. He's responsible for the killing of Obidike's parents. And we've been thinking it's Alaribe and the wife.
I'm not surprised. Hey! Is it because Adana's parents did not give Adana to him?
Ask me.
I'm surprised.
But wait, is marriage by force?
So come on.
If you ask me, who I go ask? It's not by force. It is me. I will not even marry a man of his caliber.
That donor. For me, the richest man.
Please, let's go. Well, who said let's go? Please, let's go.
Still on this thing?
Yes, sir.
Why are you so slow? I'm expecting some container full of synthetic grass so that I can roll them all over this place. Try to clean it as fast as you can, my friend. I don't understand you. You're too slow. Get on it, man. Be fast. Get on it. Fast. What's going on, man? Yeah, what's going on? What's happening?
The dawn. You think you can run forever. Today is the end of your life.
We are not here for explanation. Just move in. Let's go. Move.
Uncle Donald, the Don. I am very, very sorry for what I did. If I could be given a second chance to live, I will make an amendment.
I should give you a second chance. You killed a man. You killed his wife. You killed Adana innocent suitors.
Hey.
And now you want me to give you a second chance to live and commit more. Uncle Donald, you are very, very wicked.
Very wicked. Very wicked.
You are very, very wicked. People like you are not supposed to live. Say what you want to say and let me get out of here.
Okay. I love your sister so much. Everything I do is for Adana. And the love that I have for Adana, I could kill anybody that would stand on my way not to marry Adana. Your father and I, we were good friends.
Duru, you're my good friend, and I must be sincere. with you. This business we are about to embark on is huge. Very, very huge.
So, what's my involvement?
We are going to deal with foreigners, foreign investors. And we need somebody that is smart to prepare the documents. And nobody can do it better than you. Nobody.
Oh, now the sharp guy.
No.
But what is the pay? It's important.
You want to know the pay?
Yes.
$5 million. With $5 million, we can have all the politicians in our pocket and build ourselves empire.
This is serious. Is it $5?
Do read my lips. So again, I'm $5 million American dollars. Change go there na naira. Ega bolo nyafu.
In fact, I am excited. Get the papers. Yes. Let me make some drafts.
Is that right?
No need of wasting time.
Let's close first. I can't close this thing, man. I need to send some documents online to that our foreign investors, because the CEO of that company is coming this week to inspect that land.
Have you typed them?
Yes, I have.
Does Igwe know about the transaction?
Yeah. Must I tell Igwe? I am Don Donald. I like doing things my own way. Must I tell Igwe? Huh? A piece of land abandoned by the community long time ago. Okay. But wait. On the second thought, let me tell him. Let me just inform him.
That's better.
Okay. Let me just inform him.
Now, get the documents. Let me sign my own volume.
Okay?
Yes.
Let me get it.
Woman bats.
Look. Here is the document. You know, as a smart guy you are, I would like you to take it home. Go through it before signing it. Lulu, are you okay?
Just remember something. Okay, the document.
Yes, it's here. What you have to do is take it home and read it. Yeah? Then sign it and bring it back to me. Anything the matter?
Nothing.
Duru. I just want to let you know that the business has melted. Now it's dropping. It has dropped $5 million.
Wait, let me understand you. You say 5 million naira. Let me understand myself.
$5 million. More than $1 billion naira. Now,
look at me very well.
Let us celebrate.
I feel like.
Before you faint, let us celebrate it first. Ngozi! Ngozi! Bring me something to drink.
Something is here now. Money good.
Aye.
Money answereth all things wonderfully.
Oh.
Money.
Money, yeah, money answereth all things. Hey! Dude. Ego Rufanya Funya. Yes. Ego Rufanya Funya. Money. Money, money, La money they answer everything. Money is good. Yes, money is good. Duru, let's celebrate it. Let's celebrate it. Hey! Am I dreaming? No, you are not dreaming. Now we have all the politicians, the police, the army, everybody in our pocket. Ah, money good. Money answered everything. Duru! After God is money. After God is money. After God is money. Duru. Aha. Hey! Ageda.
And money answered all things.
That's all. That is it.
Everything is not possible.
Yay! Duru, my friend. I want to marry your daughter Dana. Now that the money is here, flowing.
Wait. Are you saying that you want to marry my own daughter, Ify?
Yes! Adana.
Ify means informer. That is her own pet name. And informer means good thing.
That is it. Now I want good things to be coming around me. Can't you see it?
Don't, my friend. You will not marry my daughter. Better look for another girl.
I will not marry your daughter. Am I not?
Is that what I said?
Am I not your good friend?
You are. But you see, I've been trying to see the way to tell ourselves this. There is no way a dubious man will marry my daughter.
You called me a dubious man. No, you called me a dubious man.
No, I can't.
Dude, I'm a bad person. Me, a dubious somebody.
No.
Me, I cannot marry your daughter. Dude, think about this. I will let you go. Think about it. You understand? Yes. But don't tell anybody about our business.
No. Nobody knows about it.
Don't tell anybody how you feel or think about me.
No. Except my wife. No other person is aware. Hey.
You spoiled this good moment.
No.
You spoiled this good moment.
Money is good.
No. Yes, all I work for is for your daughter.
All things.
And when I proposed to Adana, he rejected my proposal. So I was mad. I was very, very angry. And I had to eliminate him in order to marry Adana. Durubo has vehemently refused me marrying his daughter. All my effort to marry this girl has hit a stumbling block. Okay. I've made money. I'm about to build an empire. And all my money, everything that I have, who am I working for? It's for Ify. Yes, it's for Ify. And his father is trying to stop me. You know what? I will eliminate you as long as I will marry Ify. I don't even care. I'll kill the wife too. I promised myself that I must marry Adana, whether Duru is alive or dead. Guys,
boss,
I'll tell you exactly what I want I like guys that are swift with metals and leave no traces behind. That is me.
I'm rollers. My fingers rose on metal.
And now, Mr. Robot, just call me X-Man. I bubble on machines.
Don, you are the guys that sweep on metal. And I guess we suit your choice.
Okay. I want you to get Durobo. Eliminating. And I buy each and every one of you.
On the door!
And you will be my man, alright?
Consider it done.
You be my guy.
Consider it done, boss. There's no problem.
What up, y'all?
Just consider it done.
Cool.
Thank you, boss.
Get on it.
Alright, sir.
Okay.
We take our leave now.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good afternoon, boys.
Good day, boys.
I guess you are Mazi Duribo, right?
Exactly. How may I help you guys?
Mistake there. We're the ones here to help you to untimely grave.
Come to send you back to your grave.
Guys, let's go. Get there. Few things.
Hello?
Right now, he is with his ancestors. No traces left behind. Trust us.
Anytime. Good job, my nigga. Good job, good job. Now, I have one more assignment. His wife. This time, I wouldn't like you to use guns, okay? Just strangle her inside her farmland. All right?
All right, sir.
And make sure you come over so that I can pat your back with some naira. All right?
I'm always your boy, relax.
We'll be
right there. Once your boy, always your boy.
Yeah. Well. Droba. Now that you've gone, you cannot stand on my way again marrying your daughter, huh? Anybody that stands on my way is another one by the dust. Yes. And I did the same thing because I knew your mother would stand on my way. I killed her. I sent my boys to kill her in her farmland. I also killed the first suitor to Adana. I was so jealous. How could he marry Adana? It could have been me. And I killed him. I killed Tobija.
Abomination.
Please, my brother, my friend, everything I have, I am willing to you. Please, take my land, take my empire, take all my money, but leave me to survive. Obliga, please. Obliga, please. Oh no, Obliga.
Now, you want to will all your properties to me. Does your properties what the life of my father
Ask him.
and my mother you murdered in cold blood.
Open your mouth and talk. Answer.
I will not forgive you. You are evil. Nage,
Mafo,
what do you think we should do?
this man, Mr. Donald, as is popularly known as Don, has been spreading money in the community, deceiving people. Never knew that a ritual killer. They say every day for the thief and one day for the owner of the house.
Yes. Exactly.
And the wages of sins is death. So this man, Mr. Donald, deserves death.
Death immediately.
Papa, you called me.
Yes, I called you my son. It is at night like this that a father discusses important issues with his son.
Yes, I know.
Like as I've called you now. What we are going to discuss is very, very important. It pertains to of us.
Okay.
And I want you to hold it so tenaciously.
Okay, Papa.
It is something you will never play with.
Okay, Papa.
I am happy that your mother and your sister are now asleep.
Yes.
Listen. Donald is from our neighboring village.
Uncle Donald.
And we will not marry your sister, being my daughter, Ify.
Papa, I don't understand why you are taking such decision. Bro, Donald is your best friend.
Yes.
And already he has told me his intention of getting married to Ify.
That is where he got it wrong. What a young man stands up to see, an adult stoops down to see.
No.
You know, your sister is very, very so precious to me. Put it anything at all and anyhow. And you know it very well.
I know.
I will not allow anything to harm her.
Honestly, Papa, I still do not understand. Can you hit the nail at the head?
Good. Donald. That my own Donald. Your uncle Donald.
Your best friend.
Donald is not a good person. Donald is a ritual killer. What? Donald is a 419er. Donald deals with human parts.
What?
Everything bad, Donald has it.
Wait, Papa. Are you sure of all these things you are saying?
I am sure of what I am telling you. I have seen it. Your father is not a chancho. It's not.
Wait. Something is wrong somewhere. Papa, you know that something must bring the noble and the fragile together. I don't understand.
Listen, even if I'm not alive and you allow him to marry your sister, I will appear in the afternoon and give you marks.
Wait, this is serious. Anyway, Papa, I will keep your instructions.
Good.
You know you are an impeccable man. A very honest man.
That's my son.
How I wish I can just try to maintain your legacy.
You can. You can. And you can. Yes. My blood is running in your vein.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Good. You can now go in and sleep.
Okay, Papa. Alright. Good night, Papa. No wonder my father told me never to let you marry Adamnaya, my sister.
No wonder. Well, okay. I will forgive you.
I'll forgive him for what?
What? No! He deserves death.
Look,
He needs to die.
let's just leave him.
Why?
He needs to die.
Omemma, gesina mala. Omenjo, gesikwena njola. I have forgiven you. Nine. No. Let's go. Youth. Let's go.
Like,
You mean you are forgiving him?
Time in.
Excuse me.
You are forgiving
Let
me.
me dig. You mean you are forgiving him?
On time you are forgiving. On time.
This man, you are wicked.
On time you are forgiving me.
You are a wicked man.
On time you are forgiving me.
Untie me, Oblike. You are forgiving me, Oblike. Please untie me.
He is your best friend.
Oblike, untie me, please.